So what's up people, I think everyone are doing good. So this video will be based on file and directory operations. So how do you not create a file, and how do you check a file if they exist or not, something like that. Okay, let's try that. If I do ls, there is no file. Now I'll create a file called file1.txt. okay, so now what I do ls, there is a file.txt. now I don't need to go inside a file and write a script. Okay, so let's do that only, because that will be a good practice, right? Okay, so specify script dot not py, that will be sh. Okay, now what I do, I say the best practice is to specify shebang bin bash. Okay, so first thing, I'll check whether the file exists or not. So for that, I say file1.txt, then at the end I say then I say echo if that file exists, print file.txt exist. If not, that will be else, and print file.txt does not exist. Okay, so in the end I need to specify the endpoint. So if this file exists, then it will basically print file exist. Let's check then. Okay, now what I do, I'll change the give the permission for the file to execute. Now I'll run the script. If that file exists, it will show file1.exist. so file.txt exist. Now I'll remove that file. Now if I run that script again, you can see file does not exist. So this is one of a way to check whether a file or directory exists. So if you need to create a file, you can use touch command and file1.txt. That way you can actually create a file. So let's say you need to create a directory, you can use mkdir to new directory name. So you can specify like this, so directory will be created. Let's say you need to remove the file, you can remove like this, or let's say you need to remove the directory, and you can remove like this. So this will basically remove the file or directory. Okay, so let's say you need to remove the directory and it contains you can also use remove -r, that will basically recursively delete everything. And you can use move command. So move command and move old file to new file. So you can move like this. If not, you can actually move the directory to directory, new directory. Okay, so this is how you can use move command, or else you can use cat also, cat file1.txt. this will basically print out if the file is exist. Okay, so you can also write everything, this is some text and redirect file1.txt. so you can use cat and file, you can see this. So this is some text. So don't worry that so you might be thinking that why I'm showing these commands now instead of showing in the basic one, because this is a part of bash scripting where you need to know this kind of commands so that you can perform any operations in the bash script. So this is just an example I've given. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching.